Hey y'all, it's your favorite remodeling truth teller, Roger Smith, and today's show is called What is the Difference Between Custom, Semi-Custom, and Stock Cabinetry? All right, folks, let's roll up those sleeves and dive into the world of kitchen cabinetry. It's a place where the wrong choice can pinch your budget tighter than a pair of jeans post-Thanksgiving. When planning your remodel, one question stands center stage. Do you go for custom, semi-custom, or stock cabinetry? Let's break it down so you can choose wisely and impress your neighbors at your next brunch gathering. First up, let's chat about custom cabinetry. Imagine having a wardrobe tailor-made to fit every eccentric curve of your kitchen. Yes, it's the little black dress of your cooking domain. Custom cabinets are designed entirely to your specifications, from materials to finishes to dimensions. Want to recreate shelving that could double as an art installation? Custom's got you covered. But here's the kicker. They're the priciest option. Quality craftsmanship, personalized style. It's like buying a Rolls Royce, y'all. I can't make this stuff up. If you value individuality and have some extra cash to splash, custom is your ticket to a one-of-a-kind delight. Next, we have semi-custom cabinetry. For those who want that bespoke feel but aren't quite ready to break the bank, semi-custom might just be your best friend. They're kind of like adding flair to a sturdy pair of jeans, functional but with your unique touch. You choose from a standard design, then mix it up with your preferred finishes and extra features. It's budget-friendly, versatile, and the perfect middle ground if you want a dash of pizzazz without the sky-high price tag. Finally, the OP, Original Possibility, stock cabinets. If custom and semi-custom are like gourmet meals, stock is delicious takeout. Off the shelf and ready to go, stock cabinets come in standard sizes and limited styles, but let's not shy away from their real charm, affordability and convenience. They get the job done, often look great, and if you pick the right design, you can achieve that chic appearance without waiting through extended lead times. I see you over there ignoring contractor red flags. We need to talk. Whatever you choose, ensure your contractor aligns with your vision and helps navigate pitfalls, transforming dreams into reality without those surprise plot twists. So, whether you're aiming for the NASA-level precision of custom, the savvy solutions of semi-custom, or the straightforward reliability of stock, remember, the right choice blends your style, budget, and practicality into a harmonious symphony. This has been Roger Smith with the Phoenix Home Remodeling Show. Until next time, keep dreaming bigger. And remember, if your remodel feels stressful, it's not you, it's your contractor. Later, y'all.